Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to do a very interesting topic of maths called Demas rule or simplification rule. So before starting our topic, let's recall our prior knowledge. We have done addition, subtraction, multiplication and division sums using big numbers. But so far we have been doing only one of these four operations in one problem. Here I have used a word operation. Operation means any mathematical process, and the most common mathematical process which we are going to use today are again addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in my lecture, whenever I am going to use the word operation, that means I am referring to words addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In order to understand Demas or simplification rule, we have to start with an example from your countdown book, page number 17. So student, look at this example, page number 17. There is a problem in which all four operations are given. So let's suppose this problem is solved by three different students. What the first student has done, he did subtraction first, then he divided, then he multiplied, then he added, and he got 3 as his answer. In the next one, the next student, what he has done addition first, then multiply, then divide, then subtract. The third one, what he did division, multiplication, subtraction and addition. And all three students got different answers. So how to identify which answer is correct? Here Demas rule helps us to find out the correct answer. Students, when we have two or more than two operations in one problem, Demas rule help us to solve them. As I told you, Demas rule is called simplification rule as well, and simplification means to simplify or to make something easy. Here in Demas rule, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. And we have to follow this rule while solving the question. Whatever the operation is given you at the first, you have to divide first, then you have to multiply at the second place, then you have to add, and then you have to subtract. Now move to the question.
Exercise 1D, page number 20. Students, as I told you, when we are having two or more than two operations in a problem, we have to use the Demas rule. So you can see in the question, we are having two operations. So how to solve it? First of all, you have to draw a margin line in your copies. Then you have to make a rough work column. Make sure whatever calculations you are doing in the rough work column, use your pencil. Now let's start solving the question. First of all, you have to write the sign of equal to, and the sign of equal to always should be outside the margin line. Okay? Now let's solve it. First of all, write down the Demas over here, as we have to solve it by Demas rule. So according to the Demas rule, you have to divide first. Let's find out the division sign. We have to find out division sign is between which two digits. Here is the sign of division between 8 and 2. So we have to underline it first. Now the rest of the question will remain same, and we have to do division part first. This 16 will remain as it is. Then sign of addition. Now let's solve division sum. 8 divided by 2. That means 2 multiplied by what is 8? We all know 2 4s are 8. So you have to write the answer 4 under it. Now we are done with the division sign. We have to do only one more operation, that is addition. So 16 plus 4, very easy. We all know that this is 20 and this is your answer. Students, we are having another question in which you can see there are three operations: multiplication, division and subtraction. So let's solve it according to Demas rule. First of all, divide. So we have to find out the sign of division between which two digits. So here is the sign of division. We have to underline it between 6 and 2. So let's solve this portion first. The rest of the question remains same. So we have to write 18 multiply by 2 times what is 6? 2 3s are 6. So I have to write this 3 under this division sign. Why? Because I have done this operation. So I will write the answer under it. And the rest of the question remains same. Now I am done with the division. I have to find out now what I have to do. Next is multiplication. So here is the sign of multiplication between two digits 18 and 3. So let's multiply 18 and 3 to get our answer over here. 18 multiply by 3. 3 8s are 24. 4 will be here. 2 will be carried. 3 1s are 3. 4 5. So we will write 54 under the multiplication sign. Why? Because we have solved this operation. So now we are going to write the rest of the question as it is, minus 24. So 54 minus 24. 4 minus 4, 0. And 5 minus 2, 3. So we have to write over here 30. And this is your answer. Now we are having another question having all 4 operations in it. Addition, division, multiplication and subtraction. Now again we have to follow the DeMass rule. So we have to write DeMass rule over here. It will be easy for you. So what we have to do first, we have to divide first. So where is the sign of division between which two digits? Between 24 and 8. So 8 times what is 24? We all know 8 times 3 is 24. So sign of equal to outside the margin line 31 plus 8 times 3 is 24. I have to write 3 under the sign of division. Why? Because I have solved this operation. The rest of the question remains same. Multiply by 9 minus 39. So we are done with the division sign. So what is the next? Multiplication between which two digits? 3 and 9. So we have to find out the answer. 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. The rest of the question remains same. Write down 27 under the sign of multiplication because we have solved multiplication operation over here. Minus 39. The rest of the question remains same. Now here we are done with multiplication sign as well. What to do next? Addition. So here we have to add 31 in 27. Use your rough work column with the pencil. 31 plus 27. Add it. 7 plus 1, 8. And 3 plus 2, 5. 58. So 58 minus 39. Again use your rough work column. 58 minus 39. We can't minus 9 from 8, so take a borrow. It will become 4. 18. 18 minus 9 is